Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalizations. So let's begin with opening the settings, and I'd like to start with the DNS. So just tap on more connectivity options here, tap on Private DNS and mark a Private DNS provided hostname. Now let's tap on custom name, and here we have to enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. Your device will immediately apply this DNS provider, and thanks to it you will limit the amount of notifications or actually advertisements which you receive. Moreover, here in the settings, scroll all the way down and find Google. Let's tap on all services and here find ads. And basically here we will have two additional options which are reset advertising ID and delete advertising ID. Basically, I'm sure that you know the situation when you're looking for an item. For example, you were looking for an item yesterday and today you've got a lot of notifications, a lot of advertisements about the greatest price of this specific item. And this is what the advertising ID does. So it basically just catches the information of what you've been searching for, and then it is showing you the offers of that item. So removing advertising ID will simply remove the personalization of the advertisements, and even though it will not limit the amount of advertisements, it will still limit the personalization, and I really think that it is useful. So what I highly recommend to do here is to simply tap on reset advertising ID and then delete advertising ID. So you will remove personalization. Moreover, if you've got the app that is showing you advertisements in the control center, in the notification panel, you can try to limit the notifications itself. So let's pretend I've got notifications from Play Store. So tap on it and hold it, and then go to app info. Here we've got notifications, so let's simply tap on this section, and after scrolling down you can see that there are a lot of categories of those notifications, and what I recommend to do here is to find the category which kind of resembles you of advertisements. So for example, in this case it will be payments, deals and recommendations. So let's simply tap on the category and tap on the switcher next to show notifications, which means that your device will limit this category. Of course, I really highly recommend to remove all of the notifications if you don't need the notifications from this app. For example, a game, or I don't know what app could show you that kind of notifications. All I can think of is a game. So if you can, simply just tap on the switcher at the very top to turn off all of the notifications. And as a last advice, I just wanted to draw your attention to the ad blocks. And I know that it might be obvious. However, nowadays we do not have only the ad blocks which are connected with the specific browser. So for example, the ad block for Chrome, ad block for, I don't know, Firefox or whatever. We've got also the ad blocks which are connected with the system. So let's open the Play Store. Here, tap on search and enter ad block or something similar. Oh, ad block. And here we've got the full list of available ad blocks, and I highly recommend to simply check them, because as you can see here we've got something called content blocker, we've got ad blocker for Android, a lot of different categories of ad block. So try to find the best one and apply it to your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.